Buying a home can be an exciting experience, but it's important to understand the steps involved before you start your search. One crucial step is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Pre-approval is when a lender reviews your financial information and credit score to determine how much money they are willing to loan you for a home purchase. To get pre-approved, you'll need to provide the lender with documentation such as pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. The lender will also check your credit report to see your credit score and history. Once the lender has reviewed all your information, they will issue a pre-approval letter. This letter tells you how much money you can borrow and the terms of the loan, such as the interest rate and monthly payment. With a pre-approval letter in hand, you can start shopping for homes within your budget. Keep in mind that getting pre-approved does not guarantee that you will get a mortgage, but it's a good first step to take when buying a home. So, if you're thinking of buying a home, take the time to get pre-approved and understand your options.